In this video, I will be showing you how to use private mode on Grok AI. Let's get started. I start on the Google homepage and click on the search bar. I type in Grok and press enter to look up the platform. From the search results, I click on the first link for grok.com to open up the main AI interface. Once the page loads, I am greeted by the main dashboard. Before entering any prompt, I want to make sure my session is hidden. I move my cursor to the upper right corner of the dashboard where the private mode toggle button is located. I click on this button to switch to private mode. You will know it is active because the text under the main search bar updates to explicitly state that this chat won't appear in your history and will not be used to train future models. Now that the conversation is secured, I click on the search bar to draft my first prompt. I type in, create a simple weekly budget plan for someone earning $25,000 per month. Once the text is complete, I click the upload arrow button to submit the prompt to the AI. The system takes a few moments to analyze the request. A working indicator appears on screen, counting up the seconds as Grok calculates the weekly budget breakdown, loads its necessary data skills, and structures the plan. After about 12 seconds, the budget results begin to generate on screen. I see a comprehensive guide detailing a simple weekly budget plan tailored for a $25,000 income. It highlights key principles like the 50-30-20 rule and outlines a complete weekly breakdown covering everything from rent and groceries to utilities and dining out. As I review the table, the platform continues to generate more helpful recommendations for financial success, instructions on how to use the plan daily and weekly, and even a sample weekly spending tracker. To test the interactive memory of this private session further, I scroll down to the bottom search bar to enter a follow-up question. I click on the prompt area and type in, "How about my OOTD?" and then hit enter. Once again, the system works for a few seconds to generate custom outfit suggestions that fit right into the budget plan we just made. It gives a detailed affordable outfit strategy and provides a full 7-day stylish weekly outfit list perfect for casual or work settings, all while respecting the constraints of the private session. I can scroll through the ideas, modify my inputs, or ask for image variations knowing that none of this data is logged to my permanent history. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.